Look at Wolverine. Logan, the mutant. He's shot, stabbed, burned, and thrown through walls. Yet, seconds later, the wounds close. The tissue knits itself back together. He stands up, ready for the next fight. His power isn't just sharp claws. It's the ultimate biological cheat code, instantaneous regeneration. Now, look at yourself after a heavy leg day. You're sore for 3 days. Walking downstairs is agony. If you get a small tear in a tendon, you might be out of the game for months. Why is there such a massive gap? Is Wolverine's healing factor purely fantasy? Or is there a biological blueprint we can learn from? Today, we're going to analyze the science of human repair. We're going to see how close we can get to building a real-life healing factor. To understand regeneration, you first have to understand destruction. Every time you train hard, you aren't building muscle, you're damaging it. You're creating thousands of microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. This is the trauma signal. In a normal human, your body responds with inflammation. This is not a bad thing. Acute inflammation is the first responders arriving at the scene of the crash. They clear out the debris and signal the repair crew to start working. This repair crew is driven by a process called muscle protein synthesis. Your body takes amino acids from the protein you eat and weaves them into new contractile tissue to patch the holes, making the fiber thicker and stronger than before. So, what's the difference between you and Wolverine? It's speed and efficiency. Wolverine's body doesn't just send a repair crew. It sends an entire army of nanobots that work at light speed. His rate of protein synthesis would have to be off the charts. His body would need an almost infinite supply of resources instantly available at the wound site. We can't replicate that speed, but we can significantly upgrade our own system. The biggest bottleneck for most people's recovery isn't their genetics. It's their lifestyle blocking the repair process. The first upgrade to your healing factor is sleep. Sleep is not just resting. It is active regeneration. This is when your body releases immense amounts of growth hormone. It's when the brain goes offline to let the construction crew work without distraction. If you're sleeping 5 hours a night, you're voluntarily turning off your healing factor. The second upgrade is nutrition timing. Quality. You can't build a skyscraper out of air. If you don't have a constant stream of high-quality amino acids floating in your blood, the repair stops. You need the bricks to build the wall. The third upgrade is managing chronic stress. High-stress hormones like cortisol or catabolic, they break things down. They are the anti-healing factor. If you're stressed all day, your body stays in fight or flight mode, not rest and repair mode. We may never heal a bullet wound in 10 seconds, but by optimizing sleep, flooding the body with nutrients, and controlling stress, you can turn a 4-day recovery into a 2-day recovery. You can bounce back faster, train harder, and grow quicker. You don't need adamantium bones to be superhuman. You just need to master the biology of repair. Stop focusing only on the destruction in the gem. Start focusing on the regeneration outside of it. This is the science of resilience. Welcome to Fit Fantasy. Thanks for watching. If you want to unlock more of your biological potential, hit that subscribe button and join the community.